Traveling is exciting, but can be overwhelming, and nothing kills the vacation vibe more than making avoidable mistakes. Here are 6 common travel mistakes you're probably making right now, and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1. Not giving yourself enough time at the airport. You might think you have enough time to get through security and grab a bite to eat, but unforeseen circumstances, like long lines or an overbooked flight, can put a wrench in your plans. Always give yourself plenty of time, at least 2 hours, before your flight. Mistake number 2. Not checking the weather. Always check the weather of your travel destination before packing your bags. This will alleviate overpacking and frustration once you arrive. Mistake number 3. Not doing enough research before you arrive. Research the area, look up the customs, and know the currency exchange rates. This will make you feel more comfortable and will help you get around with ease. Mistake number 4. Not packing for the climate. Pack clothes appropriate for the climate of your destination. This is important not only for comfort, but also for health reasons. Mistake number 5. Not budgeting for food and activities. Food and activities can be expensive in certain destinations, so be sure to budget accordingly. Estimate the cost of activities and food, and include them in your budget beforehand. Mistake number 6. Not being respectful of local customs. When traveling to different countries, research local customs and traditions. Be mindful of dress codes, gestures, and behaviors that may offend the locals. And those are the 6 common travel mistakes that you're probably making right now. Plan accordingly, research your destination, and respect local customs to ensure an enjoyable and safe experience abroad. Be sure to check out our other videos that showcase new travel deals daily and provide tips for many popular destinations before your journey. Subscribe today so you don't miss a single travel deal.